Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to animate on click in Canva, a feature that makes your presentations dynamic and interactive. Whether you're presenting to an audience or creating engaging content, this trick will elevate your design skills. First, open Canva and select the project you want to work on or create a new one. Decide which elements you want to animate. This could be images, text, or other design assets. Click on the element you want to animate. You'll see small blue borders appear around it, indicating it's selected and ready for animation. Now, go to the top menu and click the Animate button. A side panel will appear with a variety of animation options tailored for your selected element. Look for the On-Click Animation option. Hover over it to preview how it will look. On-click animations only appear when you advance through your presentation and click the element, perfect for guiding your audience's attention exactly when you want it. Click to apply the on-click animation. Your element now has the interactive effect applied. Click the play button in the upper right to preview your presentation. Advance through your slides and observe how the animated element appears on click. This is your chance to tweak and perfect the timing. And that's it. Animating on click can transform a static presentation into an interactive experience. Experiment with different effects in Canva and watch your slides become more engaging and professional. Thanks for watching and happy designing.